I'm Lara Jade. I'm a fashion photographer based in New York City, and I want to remind you as photographers that everybody wants to visualize themselves on the cover of a magazine. So why not add a fashion flair to your work and give your clients a cover-worthy image? Whether you do portraits, weddings, or even you're starting as a fashion photographer, fashion photography methods and technique can elevate and modernize your portfolio. I've created a fashion education series that is centered around you building a fashion portfolio. This course was created with your feedback and questions in mind. Over my 10-year career as a fashion photographer, I've received many questions. How do you find models? How do you find hair and makeup? How do you concept a shoot? I know your frustration. I've been there. When I started my career, I felt very vulnerable about lighting, posing. I had no idea about set etiquette. I want to simplify the process and make it easy for you to replicate the fashion work that you see out there. This course is divided into two parts. The first part is the fundamentals on lighting, styling, and posing. Those three fundamentals make up the 3 points of a successful fashion shoot. We then go into the challenge videos where I'm going to prove to you through either limited gear, contacts, models, styling and hair and makeup, and budget that it is still possible to get portfolio-worthy images. And as an added bonus, I want to walk you through what it's like to be on set with me for a fashion editorial spread. We're talking consistency, we're talking collaboration. I'm walking you through from concept all the way through to final image. In order to get work as a fashion photographer, you need to create a vision and a style. You find your style as a fashion photographer by portfolio building. So go ahead, get started with the fundamentals, and then head on over to the challenge videos that my hopes are going to inspire you to replicate one of these challenges at home and start to build your portfolio. I wish a course existed like this when I started fashion photography. I want to build your confidence on set, your technical ability, your creative direction and concepting, and I want you to start charging for your work. I truly hope that this course takes your work to the next level.